Good morning, students. Today we will learn about conversion of decimals into fractions. Let us discuss about conversion of decimals into fractions by taking some examples. 0.7. How can we convert the decimal into a fraction? It is a decimal number. Write the decimal in the numerator and write down 1 in the denominator. Then count how many digits are there after the decimal places. Count the number of places or the number of digits after the decimal point. Here only one digit is after the decimal point. That's why multiply 10 in both numerator and denominator. 0.7 into 10 divided by 10. We know that if we multiply a decimal number with 10, then we have to shift the decimal point one place to the right. So, if we shift the decimal point one place to the right, then it is 7. Then write down 10 in the denominator. So 0.7 equal to 7 by 10. Simply we can say that it is 0.7. So count the number of places after the decimal point and write down the digit without the decimal point in the denominator and write down in the denominator 10 or put 0, which is equal to the number of places in the decimal number. Here only one place is after the decimal point, so put a single 0 with 1 in the denominator. So 0.7 equal to 7 by 10. Take another example, 0.75. Here, how many digits or how many places are there after the decimal point? There are 2 places. So, write down the digits without the decimal number in the numerator and put 2 zeros in the denominator with 1. Or it is 75 by 100. Another example is 0.129. How many places are there after the decimal point? There are 3 places. So write down the decimal without the decimal point in the numerator and put 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros with 1. We can read it as 129 by 1000. We can also write the fraction in the lowest form. For example, divide numerator and denominator by 25. 25, 3 ja 75, 24 ja 100. So 0.75 also equal to 3 by 4. Take another example. 2.5. Here it is the integral part and it is the decimal part. Count the number of places after the decimal point. Here there is only a single digit after the decimal point. So write down the decimal in the numerator and write down 1 in the denominator. There is only a single digit after the decimal point. That's why multiply with 10 in both numerator and denominator. How much it is? We know that if we multiply a decimal with 10, then we have to shift the decimal point towards the right only one place. So if we shift the decimal point to the right only one place, then the decimal will be converted into 25. Then write down 10 in the denominator. 1 into 10 equal to 10. We can convert it into its lower form. If we divide by 5, then 5 ja 25, then 5 2 ja 10. So 2.5 equal to 25 by 10, or we can say that 2.5 equal to 5 by 2. Or simply or easily we can say that this is the decimal. So write down the decimal without the decimal point in the numerator, and there is only a single digit after the decimal point. That's why put 10 with 1, or write down 10 in the denominator. It is also equal to 5 by 2. 1.75 by 1.75. So we can write it as 175 by 100, because there are two digits after the decimal point. So that I have written here 100. Then convert it into its lower form. 25 7 ja 175, then 25 4 ja 100. 1.75 is equal to 7 by 4, or 7 upon 4. This is also right. This is the lowest form of this fraction.